Hi kids! Today we will learn about reading and writing whole numbers. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to read and write 4 to 6 digit numbers in symbols and in words, and read and write money in symbols and in words through 1,000 in pesos and centavos. So before we proceed to our lesson, kindly answer the following. You may write your answer on a piece of paper and check it after you view the lesson. First, what year were you born? Second, can you write that year in words? So let's start from the basic. We have the digits 0 to 9. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Children, please do remember the spelling of these words. Please do remember also the spelling of these numbers from 11 to 19. We have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now let's have the numbers counting by 10. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Now let's add non-zero digits to the counting numbers by 10. So we have 20 plus 1 is 21, 30 plus 5 is 35, 40 plus 8 is 48, 50 plus 6 is 56, 60 plus 2 is 62, 70 plus 3 is 73, 80 plus 4 is 84, and 90 plus 9 is 99. These numbers are called compound numbers. We put a hyphen to separate the compound words. For the counting numbers by hundreds, we just write the digit in hundreds place and add 2 zeros. So we have 100, 200, and 300. So now let's add the values of tens and ones in the values of hundred. So here we have 117, 249, and 305. Now let's try to write big numbers in symbols and in words. We have 6 thousands, 5 hundreds, 8 tens, and 7 ones. In symbols or standard form, we write this number as 6 space 587 or 6, 587. You may use a space or a comma to separate the thousands period to the units period. In words, we write this number as 6,000, 580-7. We use a comma to separate the periods, and we use a hyphen to separate the compound words. Children, please do remember that when we read numbers, we read the digits of the number by period from left to right. In writing numbers in symbols or standard form, we use a space or comma to separate the periods. And we use a comma to separate the periods when we write a number in words. we put a hyphen to separate compound words such as 21, 36, and so on up to 99. Please be mindful of the correct spelling of the following words. We have 4, 14, and 40, 9, 19, and 90. Now let's practice how to read and write numbers in symbols and in words. We have the number written in symbols 8 space 905. How do you read the number and how is it written in words? So the number in words is written as 8,000, 905. So next we have the number in words 720-5,000, 13. How is the number written in symbols? So the number written in symbols is 725 space 013. The number is 725,013. Next we have a number written in symbols 91, 546. How do you read the number and how is it written in words? The number is 91,546. In words, it is written as 90-1,000, 540-6. Now let us learn how to read and write amounts of money. Let us try to solve the problem. The owner of the junk shop issued a check to pay for the newspapers brought by the barangay volunteers. On the check, he wrote the words 65,870 pesos. What is the corresponding amount in symbols? So we write the amount in symbols as peso symbol 65,870.00. The amount is 65,870 pesos. We write 6 and 5 in thousands period and 870 in the units period. We use a comma only to separate the two periods. And then write 0.00 at the right of the ones place to tell the value of centavos. But since there is no value of centavos, we just write 0.00. Here are the things to remember when reading and writing amounts of money. First, in reading amounts of money, we start reading the amount in pesos, then read the decimal point as end, and read the amount in centavos. Like for the first example, we read this as 2,000 114 pesos and 25 centavos. Second, 70,835 pesos and 50 centavos. And the last one is 99 centavos. Since there is no value in pesos, we just read the amount as 99 centavos. Second thing to remember is, in writing amounts in symbols, we use peso symbol followed by the number. The decimal point is used to separate the pesos from centavos, and the digits to the left of the decimal point tell the amount of pesos, and the digits to the right of the decimal point tell the amount in centavos. We put a 0 between the peso symbol and the decimal point for amounts less than 1 peso. Now let's practice. Can you tell the total amount of money in the picture? To get the total amount of money in the picture, we just have to add all the bills and coins. So we have 200 pesos plus 20 plus 10 plus 5, the total is 235 pesos. In symbols, we write it as peso symbol 235.00. Now, can you write this amount in words? In words, we write the number as 230-5 pesos. So let's have another example. Can you tell the total amount of money in the picture? Again, to get the total amount of money in the picture, just add all the bills and coins. So we have 50 plus 10 plus 5 is 65 pesos. And 25 centavos plus 25 centavos and another 25 centavos. So we get a total of 75 centavos. The amount in words is written as 65 pesos and 75 centavos. Can you write this amount in symbols? The amount written in symbols is peso symbol 65.75. 65 pesos and 75 centavos. Congratulations, children! You just finished your lesson 2.